If you're looking to increase conversions and you've heard of the benefits of a landing page, well, you might want to hear this. A single landing page probably won't fix your conversion problems. Now, you see, this is because a single landing page is a tactic, but a tactic without a strategy is also generally pretty useless. So, I know it sounds potentially strange coming from me, a guy who runs SplitBase, which is an agency that's increased conversions and added millions to 8- and 9-figure e-commerce brands through landing pages. But here's why I'm saying this, and here's what most people get wrong about landing pages. A landing page can do wonders for customer acquisition and conversion. I'm definitely not denying that. But a landing page won't do magic just because it's called the landing page. And there are generally two reasons for this. One, what makes a landing page successful isn't the landing page itself. It's the content, right? It's the substance that's on it. What you communicate, how you communicate it, what you show, explain, the motivation you provide through it, the objections you counter, that's what makes a difference. Now, it's also the hardest part to get right, which brings me to my second reason, which is that a landing page is really just a big experiment. It's just like any other A/B test, except that we're talking here about an entire page that we're testing. And because of that, well, there's also a lot of different variables at play, right? A lot of things on the page that may or may not help it convert. And the thing is that no one here has a crystal ball to accurately predict exactly what should go on your landing page to begin with. There's proven methods, right, that can shorten the path to success. One of them is our Testing Trifecta methodology, which uses analytics and customer surveys as a backbone for building landing pages. But the thing is, even with that, the only way to get to a landing page is to experiment. No one and no methodology can predict exactly what's going to work for your brand. So, to get to a winning landing page, you need to experiment, you need to learn from what's working, not working, iterate, and so on. So, what this means at the end of the day is that if you're betting on a single landing page to solve your conversion issues, well, I'm sorry to disappoint, but you probably won't get the results you're looking for unless, you get extremely lucky. But you have to be ready to test multiple landing pages, different content, different angles, and iterate until you find the winner. And that is truly how the most successful brands have grown through landing pages. So, to sum it up, a landing page doesn't work just because it's called the landing page. The content that's on it is what makes the biggest difference. And ultimately, to find what's the best content for that page, you have to test, iterate, and keep going until you find the winner. So I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you want more of this, well, like and follow for more.